aboard with chaos. Hey everybody, and welcome to the fourth and final day of the Sir Nigel Gresley special weekender here at the Nene Valley Railway. That's right, we've come to the last day. Sadly, today's the last day, but all in all, it's been a brilliant weekend. It's been great spending so much time with Sir Nigel Gresley, riding up and down the line and getting some good videos as well. So yeah, it's been enjoyable all around, and yeah, we're just ready to enjoy the last day. So come with me as we embark on this fourth and final day of the special weekend. Oh, and don't forget, grab a brew, strap yourself in, and let's roll the adventure.
It's a bit wet today. It's absolutely soggy out there. You can hear it. Just getting ready to leave the siding. Oh. Yeah, it's a bit grizzly. It's a bit grizzly today. Still, we'll try and get some shots of it on. It might just the lens be splattered with rain all the time. It's all good though, it's all good.
so there we go everyone. That brings us to the end of the special weekender. What a great time we've had here at the Nene Valley Railway. It's been amazing seeing so much of Sir Nigel Gresley, spending time running up and down the line, getting lots of videos, and yeah, just enjoying the general ambiance of the weekend. Yeah, it's been really good, and we've been fortunate with the weather for the most part. It's only this morning really where it's quite damp, but the sun's come out again now, which is glorious. So yeah, it's been enjoyable all round, and for me it's been quite, I know I've said this before, but it's been quite nostalgic being back here at the Nene Valley Railway. So yeah, that's been quite special, and of course with the added bonus of Sir Nigel Gresley being here. So yeah, all in all, brilliant weekend, really enjoyed that, and yeah, ready to go and chill out for a bit now. Just want to say thank you to all the staff members at Nene Valley Railway. All the support and all the help and everything throughout the weekend has been brilliant. Everyone just dedicates so much time and effort to these events, and you know, they can't be put on without these people supporting, working hard. You know, they do long shifts, so sort of people are here before customers turn up, and the staff are often here right to the last minute. So yeah, thank you to everybody here at the Nene Valley Railway, and the drivers and the crew of the steam locos as well. They have to work a hard shift, so yeah, it's just a great effort all round to make these kind of events happen. So thank you everyone, it's been a brilliant weekend and really appreciate your efforts. So as I say, that's me now. I'm going to hit the road and yeah, go and chill out for a bit. So thanks very much for watching, hope you all enjoyed that. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Bye.